In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a few minutes talking about the convert function, just to kind of make you aware of it, as it is an extremely useful function. So a lot of times in Excel, you might be working on something and you want to convert from one thing to another. So you might want to, for example, convert from meters to feet, or from miles to kilometers, or from gigawatts to kilowatts, or something like that. And instead of having a calculation that you make by hand, you can actually use the convert function. So let's say you just wanted to convert meters to feet. 5 meters to feet. We can do equals convert. And with parentheses, the first argument is a number. So what number we're looking to convert, in this case meters, from units. And one thing I would like to point out is there are a lot of different units. I was personally surprised myself the variety of units that you have, but you can do gram, slug, pound mass, ounce mass, short ton, a lot of, just scrolling down for a bit, light year, time, right? So you can go from day to hour to minute, second. A lot of just a lot of different units. Watt, hour, foot, pound, British thermal unit, thermodynamic, calorie, horsepower, horse strength, watt, Tesla, Gauss, Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin, rank. I just want to scroll down for a bit just to kind of show you, barrel. I mean, just a lot of, just scrolling down for it just to kind of show you that there are a lot of units that you can use to convert. A lot of these I'm not even sure what they are, not gonna lie. You can convert a UK acre to US acre. So in this case though, you're looking for feet. So we're going to type then FT for foot, or no, meters. So right here, M for meters, it needs to be in double quotations, 2 unit, and then foot. And one thing to note, as you can see, when I put meter in the first argument, argue for it, the only things that I can convert to are distance related things, right? Like it doesn't make sense to convert from a meter to a pound. Those are two completely different things. So to FT. And here you can see there's 16 feet, 16.4 feet in 5 meters. And 2 meters are 6.56 feet, so meters a little bit longer than a yard. A yard is 3 foot. So yeah, and you can even do this, for example, so British thermal units. So 5 British thermal units, how many watt hours are in 5 British thermal units? Just kind of show you the variety of things you can do. Convert 5 phone numbers BTU, British thermal unit, to watt hours, quotation marks WH. And 5 British thermal units is 1.46 watt hours, which can be useful as we're looking at natural gas. In the UK, they use more like watt hours, and US, it's British thermal units for natural gas units. So I hope you found this quick tutorial on the convert function to be useful, and I hope this will save you time in converting things. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Ever so closer to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.